Lay the kite out on a surface free of hard or sharp objects. Unroll your kite upside down into the wind. Secure it with something that has no sharp edges and is heavy enough to hold down the kite for the given wind. Unroll the lines from your bar whilst walking away from the kite. Check your bridle for tangles. Undo any loops, knots, or bunches that may have formed. Make sure that none of the lines are caught around the back of the kite. Start at the leading edge, holding up the front lines to visually check the bridle step by step. When the bridle's clear of tangles, lay the front lines to the inside and the steering lines to the outside. Ensure your flying lines are connected correctly and clear of any potential hazards. Check for any damage or knots.